The PS5 has been out for 3 years, so if Sony follows its usual pattern of releasing new consoles every few years, we should soon be seeing a PS5. Perhaps the PlayStation 5 Pro. Is there a chance that the PS5 Pro will feature some sort of graphical upgrade over the PS5? When will it be available? And how much should we anticipate paying? Come on, then, let's find out.
Want to earn money? You have no idea about trading? No problem. Here is Hilton Meta FX. If we are talking about benefits, you can earn profit 1 to 3% with AlgoBot Daily and 2 to 5% with Superbot. Not only that, you can earn 10% from direct refer and 80% from team generation income. At last, you can earn royalty income also. Here is the team level bonus. This is rank and monthly income. Royalty income. Why your invest is secure here. You can withdraw your invested amount anytime. You can withdraw your earning money 24/7. Your investment and profit will be deposited into your Meta MT5 wallet. Many people are earning here a huge amount of money. Here you can see all proofs here. Still afraid? For more details, join our WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description box. And I have given my Hilton Meta link in the description also.
As we approach the forthcoming 3rd anniversary of the PlayStation 5, numerous reports from reputed tech portals have surfaced. These reports gave us fresh insights into the matter. Notably, Tom Henderson from Insider Gaming has conceded that the development of a highly anticipated Pro version of the PS5 is already on the way. While an official statement from Sony is yet to be released, the prospective release date of the console is projected for the following year. Based on the information we have, it is possible to anticipate that Sony will officially unveil the PS5 Pro during the console's 3rd anniversary in November this year, as the gaming community awaits this momentous occasion. Industry enthusiasts eagerly await further announcements and detailed disclosures from the company. Right now, substantial details regarding the design of the PS5 Pro remain scarce. However, if we look at the PS4 Pro layout, we can see that they added an extra layer of the gap between the disk drive and 2 additional USB ports, while preserving the overall aesthetic resemblance to the PS4. Consequently, a reasonable assumption can be made for the design of the PS5 Pro, which will follow a similar trajectory. The console is expected to retain its distinctive black and white appearance, potentially resulting in a slightly increased weight and bulk. Also, confirmation of the PlayStation architect Mark Cerny's involvement in the development process has been established through the reporting of Tom Henderson from Gaming Insider. Besides, we have seen so many online portals with different concept ideas regarding the design. Talking about new hardware, Gaming Insider quoted that PlayStation architect Mark Cerny suggests that Sony Interactive Entertainment is looking to accelerate ray tracing performance in video games. At the current state of ray tracing, it is predictable that it is indeed the future of gaming, while it is primarily the main attraction of high-end gaming PCs. Consoles such as PS5 already include decent ray tracing performance, but this time with the Pro version, we might see even better performance. And to meet that demand, an upgrade on the current CPU is very necessary. According to many online news sources, for example, Stuff.tv has mentioned moving over from AMD's Zen 2 architecture to the current Zen 4 might see greater processing power, as it will increase the power efficiency as well. Apart from just ray tracing, Sony might try to optimize the hardware for full 8 Kelvin support as well, although the current model already possesses the capability. However, the resolution on this hardware doesn't seem to deliver auspicious performance. Additionally, there's a possibility we might see an increase in RAM capacity as well. Although PS5 includes a higher speed of 448 gigabits per second, the 16 gigabyte maximum capacity is certainly not really enough for modern demanding games. PS5's original DualSense controller was surely one of the best things that happened to the console. Its immersive haptic feedback and adaptive triggers are truly on another level. And the new DualSense Edge is even better, offering removable stick modules, swappable stick caps, and a few more advanced customization. This one even has adjustable trigger stops for a dead zone as well. So are we going to see the new PS5 Pro coming packed with the Edge controller? That we don't know, but the possibility is never zero. So there's nothing wrong with keeping our standards high. Just like the PS4, it will definitely be worth checking out the newer Pro variant of the PS5. because the console will feature much higher power and additional hardware support, which will definitely make your console gaming experience even greater. However, the price might also vary depending on the internal hardware choices. According to Tom's guide, the price can go as high as $599 and a minimum of $499. Although, these are just assumptions, but at this point it does seem like a pretty accurate price point. So that was all about the upcoming PS5 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.